Hello students, hope you all are fine. I hope you are following all the preventive measures to protect yourself from COVID-19 infection. Please don't do any careless which will cause you in danger, and also spread the awareness about COVID-19 pandemic to your friends and neighbors. Let's continue our third chapter, that is rotation and revolution. Let us start. Spotlight. In the previous class, in a part 1 video, we have discussed about understanding rotation and effects of rotation. Today, we'll discuss about revolution of the earth, that is part 2. We studied a lot about our beautiful planet, the earth. We are going to discover a bit more in today's lesson. We already know that the earth actually undergoes two movements. What are the two movements? Let us read. The two movements of the earth are rotation and revolution. In the previous class, we have read about rotation. Just we recall it what we read. Rotation. The earth spins west to east on its axis. To complete one complete spin, the earth takes exactly 24 hours, which we had day and night. This movement is called rotation. Along with the rotation, the earth also revolves around the sun along a fixed path called orbit. The earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one orbit around the sun. This movement by the earth around the sun is called revolution. Okay, I'll explain you more nicely with the help of example. Here are the example of the Earth's axis. The Earth axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. This is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the Earth. From North to South Pole. The axis is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degrees. Here is an axis. When the earth revolved, it used to be tilted at the angle of 23.5 degrees at the pole, which is 66.5 degrees to the plane of the earth orbit. As the earth rotates, which cause day and night, which we have learned in previous class. Here is an example of day and night. The side that is facing the sun that experiences the day, while the side that is facing away from the sun has night. Rotation also causes tide along with the rise fall of the level of seawater. Rotation also affects the ocean currents and winds. Revolution of the Earth. The Earth also circles around the Sun in a fixed elliptical path called an orbit. This is known as revolution of the Earth around the Sun. The Earth completes one revolution in 365 and 1/4 days, or 365 days and 6 hours. The Earth takes 365 days and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. What happens to that 1/4 day? All that 1/4 days are added up for 4 years to the month of February. That year is called a leap year. So in a leap year, the February has 29 days. Revolution causes seasons. Since the Earth has inclined at the angle, the direct rays of the Sun fall between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Other places receive direct sun rays. When the North Pole is tilted to the Sun, places to the Northern Hemisphere experience summer season. This is known as summer solstice. June 21, the day is longest and the night is shortest. The Southern Hemisphere experiences summer season in December. This known as winter solstice. And on December 22, and the night is longest and the day is shortest. On March 21 and September 23, the sun rays fall directly on equator. This is known as equinox. At equinox, the day and night are equal. The Earth thus experiences 4 seasons. What are they? Summer, winter, spring, and autumn. So look at the picture very carefully, then you'll understand. Summary. We discover the different movements of the Earth, that is, rotation and revolution, and we also learned how these movements helps to occur day and night and change seasons. That's all for now. See you soon. Stay home, stay safe, take care.